Running a restaurant website on WordPress? You know the struggle, managing food menus, online orders, and reservations with clunky tools that just don't scale. That's why we didn't just upgrade WPCafe, we completely rebuilt it for the future of your restaurant business. WPCafe has powered thousands of restaurants over the years, but the digital restaurant space is changing, and so are your needs. The truth is, the old tech just couldn't meet the demands of the future. So we made a bold decision. Instead of patching what was broken, we built a new foundation, focused on speed, flexibility, and long-term business growth. So what's under the hood? WPCafe 3.0 is not just a regular update, it's a complete rebuild from the ground up. Built with the latest WordPress standards, including a modern React-based UI, powered by a REST API-first architecture for better performance and integrations, modular, clean code that's easier to maintain and scale, a fully redesigned interface with smoother UX, cleaner navigation, and faster load times. It's engineered to support real restaurant workflows, not just front-end Flash. What does this mean for your restaurant? You will get lightning-fast performance, easy setup and intuitive menus, real-time order and reservation control, a plugin that's finally built for your growth journey. Not just today, but for the next 5 years. We listened to your feedback. We studied how authentic restaurants operate. Then we moved to rebuild WPCafe into something you can grow with, not just grow from. This is our commitment to you, a faster, more innovative, and future-proof way to manage your restaurant online. So ready for scale? Try WPCafe 3.0 beta version now.